Hello Seekers, welcome to Prince Astrology, your one-stop astro channel. I'm back here on the Ghats of Ganga, at the Ghats of Ganga, to bring you another aspect of Vedic astrology, another transit, and this time Venus has made its transit in the sign of Pisces. Pisces is the ocean, the Meena Rashi, and Venus has become exalted. But this time Venus is conjunct with Surya, the sun. And Venus conjunction with the sun caused the Venus to go combust. Now Venus is Asta and will remain in the Asta position, the combust position, for the entire duration of the exaltation of Venus, and that is something that has to be observed. When Venus is combust, Venus is very close to Sun, Surya. Now Sun is definitely the soul, Sun is the identity, and Sun is the natural Atma Karaka. When Venus is with the Sun, it means you are loving anyone with your soul. You are giving your wholehearted surrender, and that's the surrender to the divine, that's the surrender to the God. While you're doing any work, while you're doing something, you need to give your 100%, in fact 200%. And when Venus is in the sign of Pisces, Venus is in the state of exaltation, and when Venus is in the state of exaltation, you need to make sure that you are connected with the soul. Whatever you're doing, you are doing from your own heart, from your own soul. It should not be an obligation, it should not be that you don't want to or you don't like. Yes, responsibilities have to be executed with full gratitude, with full surrender, and with proper willingness to act. When Venus is with Sun, Venus is close to the soul. You need to connect yourself with the soul. This throughout the transit, if you observe, Venus was very close to Sun. Venus is going combust, and Venus will continue its combustion even in the sign of Aries. What it shows is that even at the highest state, Venus might feel insecure. On a negative way, the ego can win. But this time Venus is creative. Venus can actually win over Sun, because Pisces is not the zone for Sun. Pisces is the zone for Venus. Venus is stronger in Pisces. So your creativity is stronger in the sign of Pisces. Your creativity is more dominant force in the sign of Pisces. And Sun, the Atma, can use the creativity. So meditate on flute music, meditate on a lot of divine music, visit holy places, visit places of beauty, visit garden, bring flowers in your own home, and try to love the nature, try to see the beauty of nature, try to be there, try to mark your presence, and that is going to convert the Venus and Sun connection into a soul and nature connection. That is what is the call for the hour. That is what is the need of the hour. And when Venus is in the sign of Pisces, you must know that Taurus plays a very vital role. See, if you want to spend something, you need to have money in your account. Otherwise, if you won't have money in your account, how will you spend anything? So in order to spend something, and if you want to get the money, that is the security, that is financial security. And what is present there in the sign of Taurus? Mars and Rahu. Now Mars and Rahu are strong forces. So this means that you may want to go to some place, you may want to do something, you may want to try to spend on something that you want, but Mars and Rahu will create some sort of insecurity. Be very careful while spending, because one wrong step and Mars and Rahu energy can destroy the sign of Taurus, can create lot of financial insecurity. But overall, if I see, Mars and Rahu can give you a good opportunity. A lot of you will take that extra step in order to fulfill your desire. It is fine as long as you have planned it, and as long as you're doing what your heart is saying, what your soul is saying. If there is a soul connection, it will be fine. Overall, this is a very positive transit. Overall, this is the transit where you will see a lot of creative efforts coming into picture, a lot of Kundalini Jagran happening, a lot of spiritual connection happening, because Venus is also the seventh lord. Venus is also defined as transactions, the businessmen are also going to get benefit because of this Venus transit. Now, because Venus will see Saturn and Jupiter in the 11th house, this means that the expectation of Venus will not be fulfilled, which also means that the expectation of a lot of people, especially those who have debilitated or exalted or a weak Venus in their chart, shoot up to the sky. Because of this extremism of expectation, it will not get fulfilled, and that can create disturbance in mind, that can create sleepless nights, that can create inferiority complex. You may want to compare your identity with somebody who is a celebrity. You may want to compare your identity with someone who has lot of wealth in their home. But as it is said, don't burn your hut while looking at the mansion of somebody else. Whatever you have, try to use the best of the resource. Don't waste your resource at this time. Resource management, save the water, save the food. Don't let the food go waste. Tiny things, tiny efforts matters in this case when Venus is in this particular state. Overall, this is a very positive transit for financial success. This is a good transit. Mercury in the sign of Aquarius is giving you the opportunity, the technical expertise, and exaltation of Venus with closeness to Sun is also giving that exposure. But remember, a planet is Ast, that means the planet is not in the line of sight. There can be a situation where things are really, the gold is in front of you, but you miss the opportunity. So in this transit, missed opportunity will be very high, so you have to be very careful and you have to play tactfully. Don't be too emotional about the transit. Be very careful, be very tactful, and while doing the maths, you can find out. So this is a transit where emotions has to be controlled, creativity has to come out, but it's beauty with the brains. That's the transit, and that's the Venus. That's the demand of the Venus for this particular month. I hope you like this video, and if you like, do not forget to hit like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update. Stay tuned for more videos. This is yours Puneet, signing off.